coffee ain't worse.
So close.
I don't think you're making it up this trail, my guy.
And you don't want to polish that. Just do it again. Yeah. Oh!
Bye.
You're alright, you're alright. It won't go anywhere.
What's up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel. Today, we're out here in the snow. It's supposed to be a snowstorm today. We are at Ray's Place Off-Road Park. If you guys haven't been here with me before in my videos, then definitely it's going to be a good one. We've got a large group of Jeeps out there waiting for us, and you can see it is pretty deep. Like, it's almost to my knee. So there's about a foot of snow here, and it's been snowing for the past 2 days. Still snowing right now, and I think we've got about 1.5 feet to 2 feet on the trail. So nothing better than playing in the snow. So let's go out there. Let's find out where everybody else is, because I hear that they didn't make it very far. And let's go have a good time. Well, we found the group, but it is icy out here. Like, it is a good sheet of ice because it was pretty warm earlier in the week and it actually started to rain. So we've got a good sheet of ice, as you guys can see here, and then there's snow on top of it. So if you guys are trying to make it up the hill right now, we'll see if we can make it up. But I hear that the swamp is frozen over to my left over here, and we're gonna try going through the swamp and going over it, see exactly how that works out. But yeah. Oh, we've got a little bit of water, so as you guys can see, there is water here that still isn't frozen. Nico is up there right now. Let's go see if he can make it up, because it seems like everybody's having a bit of trouble. You good?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun driving up this.
Yeah.
Yo, it is. Oh, buddy! I'm going, dog. Oh man. Oh, I can't even stand up. I'm just sliding down the hill. I'm telling you, it's slick out here. I can't stand up. Oh man. Okay. So there's a. How did you guys get the shackle up there?
I just like my own shoulders went with it. When I threw it, the shoulders went with it.
So you were trying to get a high
I
spot?
was trying to get this way.
This guy. Yes. You got it. You got traction. And here's a quick look at all the other people on the trail with us today. We've got a pretty good lineup, some JKs, TJs, and JLs. So I think we should have a good chance of some of us making it up there. We already have the Gladiator and the two-door JK that had to winch. Pretty sure most of us are gonna have to winch. If you guys saw how much I was falling walking up, I could barely walk up it. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but let's go. See, I don't have that problem. All right, it's our turn. I don't think anybody else is really trying, because yeah, they're not down, but let's go. 4 low, 2nd gear, and let's send it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one.
Well, that didn't take very long. I drove right up onto a rock, couldn't see it underneath the snow, and that just proves to you how easy it is to get stuck out here. That's a pretty good sized rock right there.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
So we only had to winch up that last little section like Nico did too. And I think maybe one more person might try to come up here. I'm not too sure because you can tell it's a little bit deep and a little bit icy, and not everybody's down to be winching and sliding, but that's what we're here for, man. We're here to have fun, so we're gonna be out here and have a good time. So yeah, if we gotta winch a little bit, we gotta winch a little bit. That's what it's there for.
I can't stop.
Yeah, that was me about 10 minutes ago.
Man, I fucking hate the ice. It's so shit. I've got my brother and another friend down there. I don't think I'm gonna have them come up this.
It's pretty sketch.
I know. He slid halfway down on you.
Going down's gonna be sketch.
I know. Not gonna be fun.
Yeah, go for it, man. So we all had to winch this part.
Yeah?
Yeah, all of us.
Yeah, I don't think it's happening for me either.
It's just it's a big rock covered in a sheet of ice.
I know.
Nothing we can do, man.
I could try it.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, if you try to go right here where there's more snow, you might have a better shot. Nah, there's no chance. Try that way if you want. There's a... There you go.
Perfect.
Holy fuck. No way! Oh, that's what I'm talking about, guys. This guy made it. I knew somebody had to make it. That was impressive, I gotta say, that was really impressive. So I think we're gonna head back down because not everybody's down for the hill climb, and there's a lot of offshoots and trails before the hill climb, so we're gonna go back and just stay in a group, keep everybody together, and go hit some of those trails and see if we can make it through there. So funny enough, if you leave it in 4-low and you just let it kind of crawl down and ride the gear, it doesn't actually slide as bad because the wheels are constantly turning, and not that they have traction, but they're turning. You're not locking them to slide. So even if you do start sliding, they have a better chance of catching grip. So yeah, let's head down and wish me luck. So far so good. Gotta kind of ride the snow. Don't stay in the tire tracks that are used, but kind of ride the snow that's fresh. And it kind of helps you catch a little bit more traction before you break through all the way to the ice. As you can see, we're actually going down pretty controlled. And if I press the brakes, come to a stop. It's not bad. Fell out of gear. I don't think you're making it up this trail, my guy.
My reverse gear is broken, so I was trying to roll backwards by driving into a tree.
So we're gonna go hit some more trails as soon as we all get out of here.
Apparently there's a Bible.
You gonna give him a pull?
Yeah. You want to just plug it in for me?
Yeah.
Hook it up.
Now I think we got everybody out. And now that everybody left, this is where I get stuck. Woo! Send it! There. Let's go.
Someone who has emotions and feelings, machines will never take over.
So they have these little cabins that you can rent out here for 50 bucks a night. They've got bunk beds, a wood stove. You can bring yourself like a skillet or something to cook on there. And it's actually really, really toasty in here. Like, it's really warm. They don't have electricity, but it's 50 bucks a night. And it's basically just like a nice little cabin. You bring yourself some firewood and you got somewhere to stay while you reel. And honestly, I think we're gonna make a weekend out of it and stay in one of these next time because it's pretty legit and it was nice and toasty in there. Can't complain at all for 50 bucks. Another trail, another winch spot. And yep, it is just pure ice. That's pretty much why. But hopefully some of us can make it up here without the winch. Yep, you got it.
I might be wrong, you know.
Now time for the real shit show. We've got a bunch of other guys that are gonna not make it up here either, but hopefully most of us make it. I don't have too much confidence, but after seeing what happened earlier, but we'll see. Good. You guys can see, like, literally it's a slip and slide. You literally ride it down and just pray. Woo! Two-door Jeep for the win! And if you guys are wondering what that exhaust note is, that is the 2-liter turbo. It's got a nice little backfire to it, I can't even lie. Chewy! Okay then. So apparently no lift, factory tires, completely the way it comes from the factory, and a nice steel bumper is the way to go. That's all you need.
polish that. Just do it again. Yeah. Whoa!
Bye.
You're alright, you're alright. It won't go anywhere.
It won't go anywhere. It goes off the side. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, you alright?
You good, bro?
Ryan just fell, you just missed it!
Oh, he sent it. I'm telling you guys, that thing is pretty impressive. You gotta come up here where there's more snow. Try coming up to this side right here. And then you kind of cut it. Yeah. Yeah, you want a winch? See, when in doubt, winch her out. And to be honest with you guys, if I had a nice Jeep like that, then I probably wouldn't take the risk of sliding it into a tree either. So I definitely don't blame them. That was nice. That was nice.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I got you pretty good.
No, not too far.
Yo, you got it, man. You're on the right track. Yeah, we made it. Whoa. I didn't think we'd make it, but we made it. And I think that the key with the TJ is momentum. Definitely, you want to keep your momentum up, get that speed so you can bump over all those ice little bumps and like things that you got to get over. But other than that, I didn't think I was making it. Now you guys can see why we nearly totaled every single vehicle on the actual trail. Every vehicle that was with us almost slid into that tree. I'm surprised I didn't take out that corner. Actually, I think I might have touched. Let's go take a look. Oh, looks like we got lucky. We didn't have to test out the armor yet today. I still have a light and no dents. I'll call that a win. Oh, we're creating a traffic jam on the trail, guys. Okay. All right, no worries. I'm probably gonna head out from here, guys. So as you guys saw, or as you guys just heard, everybody that's staying here the night is actually gonna go head over to Foodland. They're gonna go to basically a grocery store, and they're gonna go grab themselves something to cook at the campsite. Since I have a 3-hour drive home, I'm gonna probably head out and grab something to eat on the way home. So I think that's gonna pretty much about gonna cover it for today's video. If you guys can see, if I don't fall on my ass, there's a few of us left here. It was a good day. Nobody broke down, nobody slid into the tree, nobody died, everybody's in one piece. I call that a successful day. And usually when you go snow wheeling, you don't break too much. So yeah, it ended up being a great day. We had a good time, nothing broke, and we only had to use the winch once. So yeah, definitely if you guys enjoyed this video, jump down there, hit the like button, hit that comment button, and let me know what you guys enjoyed, because definitely I'm gonna make more. And if you guys are enjoying this one, then jump down there, hit that subscribe button, because there's tons more coming your way, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, guys, ride safe out there. Peace.